Many people are predicting that coding will be obsolete very soon due to generative AI. When you look at the applications like constructs, then it seems real that coding is going to become obsolete or change a lot. Just look at this tool. What this tool can do for you, you just explain what you want to build and it is going to build it for you. Whether it is a personal CRM, fitness and workout tracker, personal finance manager, or even a small utility for your mobile phone or for your desktop to tell you where the latest restaurants or events are. So, whatever your thoughts are, you just transform them into words and then give it to Construct, where generative AI is going to build a functional application for you out of that. For example, you can see that the personal finance manager, it has built this application. For fitness and workout tracker, it has done performance analysis, workout log and all that stuff. And for personal CRM, similarly, it is a customer relationship manager tool, a simple one. You don't need a hi-fi thing. And then there are a lot of other constructs which community has built. For example, live forever, what's for lunch, macros tracker, and so on and so forth. And it goes on and on and on. So in a simple way, construct is a way for people who don't code but have great ideas to build software and share it with the world. So you can simply build a construct to make your day-to-day life easier. So for small tasks, small apps, amazing stuff, because a lot of people have ideas and tailor to their life, and they don't have to depend on any of the software developer to create an application for them. All they can do is to go to this useconstruct.ai website, and I'll drop the link in video description. Sign up with your email and then click on build a construct. Give it a name, like I'll say it, uh, maybe my walker, and I am going to say it, tell me the nearest walking paths or walking trails. Let's see, let's, or maybe I'll just I, I live in Sydney, Australia, and I am an avid walker. Please tell me the nearest safe walking paths where I can enjoy the nature. That's it. Let's see what it happens. Click on build it, and it is building it. And you can see there it is going step by step, preparing a document requirement document, and then let's see what happens next. Let's wait for it to come back. Took few seconds, and then you can see that this is using requirement. Use GPS to identify user current location. Amazing. Provide a feature to display nearby safe walking path. Incorporate system to continually update and maintain. Enable a feature for user to filter preferred. Implement a feature. And then now it is writing a data model. So it is sort of a software developer for you in your pocket. It has created the bespoke data model, and now it is putting the finishing touches on components. And it might take bit of a time, so let's wait for it to finish. There you go, it has taken 2 minutes and created the app for us. Now you can see that it has not only given it a name, but also look at the icon for our application, and then these are the display paths. We can enter our location. Maybe let me grab my latitude and longitude. So there you go, I have put in my latitude and longitude. Click submit, and then it says it hasn't found any path as of yet. If you look at the left hand side, it says it's a wireframe model, first draft of the construct preview, and then we can do the different views here. Okay, and there you go, it has, and now we can ask question. It is, so I'll just ask, so please tell me the paths, walking paths. Construct is thinking. Okay, so not only it has built you the application, but also you can talk with it. Amazing stuff. Let's click here, and then you can see that these are some of the emails and tasks which you can do. and then a weekly walking path suggestion. This is amazing stuff. This is great. And you can so this is a preview model, so it will give us a fake data and all that stuff, but we can of course build upon it. We can do a lot of things here. So once we publish it, I believe it will start working. But anyway, the idea is that you just imagine how cool this application is, and whatever your ideas are for small applications in order to manage your day-to-day life, this application can do it with quite an ease. Now the people which they have built, for example, what's for lunch, so you can click here on remix, and then maybe you can customize it, and then you can publish it in order to use it. So simply amazing. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and really really impressed by this tool. Let me know your thoughts, and if you know of any similar tool, let me know and I'll be happy to review it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.